Hey, welcome back to another video of Earning Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add tax information on your Upwork profile. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and type in upwork.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, under your profile section, go to account settings option. Now, click on tax information tab. After that, you need to select a country here and city name and postal code here. After that, click on save button. If you are a US person, check this box. If you are a non-US person, you need to check this box here. Now, you need to provide a legal name. After that, select the tax classification. Now select date of birth here and select country of citizen on this box and click on save button here. After that, click on OK. Now you need to type in your tax identification number here and type in your full name here and click on this box. After that, again type in your name here. I'll just copy paste it. Now, after typing in your identification number here, you can see that you can save this information by clicking on this button. Now you can see that your tax information has been added to your Upwork profile. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.